All right, now let's talk about transition words. On the SAT and ACT, you will often have questions asking you to plug in the correct transition. And to be able to answer those questions correctly, you need to understand the main groups of transition words. And really, there are three groups that I want you to be familiar with. The first group is continuing a thought. So indicated by words like similarly, additionally, moreover, for example, and in addition. By no means is this an exhaustive list, just listing a few words here to help you understand what these are. Now, one of the ways that I think would be useful to understand these transition words is as follows. If you hear someone saying additionally, you want to prime your mind to go, all right, I'm getting ready to hear more of what I just read, right? And the way these questions might be phrased, you might have a question and it might ask you, what is the correct transition word? Let's say, for example, additionally is choice A, for example, is choice B, and two other choices are given. Really not relevant what the other two choices are. What I want to share with you is, if you have two choices indicating continuance, it means that neither of them is correct. The reason is you cannot have two correct answers. These exams will never give you two right answers. You'd never have to choose between a right answer and a right answer. It'll always be one right answer and everything else incorrect. All right, so let's move on to the second group of transition words. Those are words that change a thought, indicated by words like however, by contrast, contrastingly. You could even add on the other hand. And again, you definitely want to read the context surrounding that word. What was said prior, what was said after, before making a decision. And the third group is the cause and effect group, whereby something that was said prior has a consequence or has a result. So keywords are therefore, as a result, consequently, again, just to name a few. And yes, so you get better with practice. And remember, the objective here is to learn the concepts, the rules, and then we'll spend plenty of time actually working out real tests, because nothing substitutes working out actual questions from the exams and just learning how to navigate these tests and answering questions to the best of our ability. So yeah, those are the three main groups of transition words. Be on the lookout for them, and remember, you can only answer these correctly by understanding the context right above them and right after them. All right, and that's it.